Welcome to this tutorial on Axie Infinity Axie Stats Explanation, where we will explore the importance of understanding Axie stats and how they impact gameplay. Axie Infinity is a popular blockchain-based game where players collect, breed, and battle creatures known as Axies. Each Axie has unique stats that determine its strengths and weaknesses. To start, let's break down the 6 main stats in Axie Infinity: health, morale, speed, skill, and the 2 types of attack, which are melee and range. Health represents an Axie's hit points, while morale affects its ability to land critical hits. Speed determines the order of turns in battle, and skill influences the effectiveness of an Axie's abilities. Understanding these stats is crucial because they directly impact an Axie's performance in battle. For example, an Axie with high health can withstand more damage, while an Axie with high speed can attack before its opponent. Melee attack deals damage to enemies in close range, while range attack deals damage to enemies from a distance. When building a team, it's essential to consider the stats of each Axie and how they complement each other. A well-rounded team should have a balance of health, morale, speed, and attack power. Players can also breed Axies to create new ones with desired stats, making it important to understand how stats are inherited. In addition to understanding individual Axie stats, it's also important to consider the overall team composition. A team with a mix of high health, high attack, and high speed Axies will be more effective than a team with Axies that have similar stats. By understanding Axie stats and how they interact with each other, players can create a strong team and improve their chances of winning battles. By following these guidelines and understanding the importance of Axie stats, players can take their gameplay to the next level and become more competitive in the world of Axie Infinity. Remember to always consider the stats of each Axie and how they contribute to the overall team composition. And don't be afraid to experiment with different breeding strategies to create the ultimate Axie team.